Hello, my name's Timothy Quigley, Valve Reliability Specialist at Novaspect, and welcome to Tools in Your Toolbox. The terminal box is another replaceable component in the DVC6200. To replace it, we need to do a few things. First, we'll remove the cover to the DVC6200. From there's 3 Allen screws located inside of the module. We'll back these Allen screws up. Slide the module base off of the 6200. You may need to use flathead screwdrivers to help assist with this. Remove the 2 connectors from the back side and set the module base off to the side. From there, we'll back out an Allen screw located on the back side of the terminal box. And we can slide the terminal box out from the housing. To install a new one, we simply do this process in reverse. We'll take a new terminal box, slide the wires into the housing, being careful to put the wires beneath the clip on the bottom side. We'll take the module base, reconnect the wires, and slide the module base back into the housing. Being careful we are not pinching any wires located on the back side. Tighten down the Allen screws. Slide the terminal box into position, replacing the Allen screw located on the back side of the terminal box. Put our cover back on. And our task is complete. My name's Timothy Quigley, and thank you for watching Tools in Your Toolbox.